We're here with another 30-second hack. So, quite often I try to get everything cropped perfectly in camera, but sometimes in your composition there's a distracting element that you just can't quite crop out in camera, and I've got that going on here. I've got this little black and white parking bollard post or whatever that I got everything cropped just the way I wanted to in camera, except that's intruding in on the left side. So there's a couple different ways you can get rid of this. You can go in with a clone tool, but it's going to show some tracking. You're going to see some stuff over there. You can go in with the content aware tool and delete it and let Photoshop try to fill it in with what it thinks it should be there, and that's about a 50-50 gamble. Sometimes it's going to look good, sometimes it won't. I've got a much easier way to fix this. All I do is I go up to a marquee tool up here, make sure I don't have any feather on it. It's 0. I draw it from the edge, and since I've only got greenery over here, I give myself a lot of room. Okay, draw something about like that. Hit Control T, and I'm going to transfer my selection, and transform my selection. All I do is just drag it out. That's all out of focus back there. Same kind of concept too. If you're using a painted background where it's just modeled stuff back there that's not really well defined. This, I've got a bokeh background there. It's just blurred greenery. Do that, hit return, hit Control D, and you would never know that I did anything there. So that's just a simple marquee tool, and you use that just to stretch out the area, to cover the area that you don't want to have in there. It's a good way to resize things too. If you're trying to fit to maybe a gallery wrap canvas, and if I were trying to fit this to a gallery wrap canvas, and I've got to account for a little bit longer edges, it's a good way of doing that too. So just another 30-second hack that hopefully will save you some time.